Hello guys, thank you for watching this video and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step to create an incredibly attractive eye makeup look. This brown toned eye makeup is both easy and practical. Just learn it in 4 minutes and give it a try. So let's get started and do this makeup look together. To start, I used a very light brown eyeshadow and applied all over my eyelid. I have already prepared my eyelid with a primer beforehand, so make sure to do any preparation steps before applying the eyeshadow. Additionally, I also applied this base eyeshadow to my lower lash line as well. Okay, next I used a dark brown eyeshadow which is powdery in texture, and I absolutely love its color intensity. It resembles the shade of coffee or tea, which I adore. I start from the outer corner of my eyelid and blend the eyeshadow well. I blend it upwards towards the crease and also apply the eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid, blending it well. This ensures a clean and seamless result without any harsh lines. In my opinion, blending a brown eyeshadow is easier compared to a black one, making it a great choice for beginners who are learning how to apply eyeshadow. Additionally, I take the remaining amount of eyeshadow on my brush and apply it to my lower lash line as well. Okay, my favorite part is adding glitter to make the makeup look glamorous and exciting. You can choose gold or brown glitter from your eyeshadow palette. I apply it in the center of my eyelid using my finger, or you can use a brush. It adds a sparkle and beauty. I also apply a bit of glitter to my lower lash line with a flat brush. This makeup look is easy and beautiful. Alright, the eyeshadow application is complete and it was very easy. Now it's time for eyeliner. I start from the outer corner of my eyelid and bring it towards the middle. You can extend it all the way to the inner corner if you prefer, but I usually stop at the middle because it suits the shape of my eyes better. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. It was a short and concise eye makeup tutorial, but it's absolutely stunning. If you found it helpful, I would be grateful if you could like the video and share it with your friends. If you have an interest in makeup, I upload tutorial videos every week, so please subscribe to stay updated. Sending my love to you all, and I hope you had a wonderful time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line. I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions.